That tickles.
I'm just gonna go for it. Burger King.
Wow, nice going, Wendy's! And that's why Wendy's is my final answer!
Oh, come on.
All right, everybody.
Whatever you say, Bear. Sleep a
Everyone is expected to act one way their whole life.
Aw, snap.
Sorts of magical powers, including time travel, wine tasting, and spidey sense.
Dude, give it up. You'll never.
Just depends on who makes the microwave. Is it GE?
GE makes no magical micro.
Nothing. End quote. Well, that's easy. And I know that Viper changes her head flowers 3 times a day. And I...
Utterly worthless. The grapefruit decided to make his second wish, that the woman of wish remaining. Why, he could simply wish the smell of...
What matters is that Orange knew the title and movie. 2 points.
Fine.
Should get a point for that.
Agreed.
No,
Now, guess a letter.
Why?
Because those are the... Oh, okay, looks like there are...
I'm a giant talking Poe action figure in Mantis's dream? That is so...
Orange, blue, up.
Oh no.
Orange don't even know what to say. It doesn't even taste like food. It tastes like dirt. Ding, 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 ding. Little Apple, you're a teeny weeny winner. Many words. Ding, 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 ding. Baby Orange has guessed correctly.
Ne faites pas comme Monsieur Pop. Ne filmez pas l'écran.
Ding.
You are innocent.
Murderer. I'm not the murderer. Where are you?
Love to play. Brilliant.